Hi guys! Welcome back. It's me again, Provincianang Morena. For today's video ay nandito kami sa Las Casas, Filipinas, de Acosar. After check-in guys, we need to ride a jeepney going to our hotel or accommodation. So ang lawak kasi nitong Las Casas, so kailangan natin mag-ride ng jeepney. Free naman siya. So yun yung free shuttle nila. Sasakay tayo ng jeepney papunta sa ating room. So ayun guys, ang lawak kasi talaga nitong Las Casas. Ang sabi nung nakausap namin is nasa 400 hectares, pero 200 hectares pa lang ata yung parang na-develop. So ongoing pa sila sa iba. So sa ngayon, ang Las Casas ay nasa meron silang 63 heritage houses. Sa naalala ko parang 40 plus yung real houses talaga. I mean yung old houses, yung materials, and then yung 20 plus ano lang siya, parang ginaya lang nila. Kasi parang yung materials hindi na nila nadala doon. Kasi siguro sa sobrang luma na talaga nung materials, so hindi na nila kayang buuin ulit yung bahay. So, quick preview, Las Casas, Filipinas, de Acosar is a stunning beach resort and heritage destination located in Bagac, Bataan, Philippines. It showcases a collection of historic Spanish colonial-era houses, meticulously restored and reconstructed to preserve the country's rich cultural heritage. They have 216 guest rooms and suites ranging from standard, deluxe, and executive suites. And then their amenities are outdoor pool, private beach, restaurant, bar, spa, business center, meeting rooms or conference room. And then ito guys, papunta na tayo sa aming room or kung saan kami mag-stay. So dito kami na building mag-stay. So it's a room tour guys for Las Casas accommodation. So if you enter the room, there's a TV and you can use a smart TV, and they have a small refrigerator and then like this, and the other side, left side, they have of course aircon, and then ito yung design ng it's a wallpaper. This one is just a wallpaper. Then may cabinet sila. Yan, tall cabinet. Tingnan natin kung anong tsura na. Walang laman. So, you can put your all clothes here. Ano ba yung like that. Wala po yung ilaw nila. And then, yan yung ilaw nila guys. Yan, isang ilaw. Tapos ayan. Ganyan yung ceiling, and then ayan, mga kahoy talaga, maaamoy mo yung ng kahoy. That. And then they have 2 chairs, ayan, but if you magkape here. So ito ay Hotel Palaces, 12 noon ang checkout. So ayan, and then tingnan natin dito sa window. Ito. I don't know how to open this. Alam ko na o-open siya, pero hindi ko alam kung paano. Ito yung haligin ng room. It's kahoy. It's a tree. I don't know what tree is this.
I don't know.
But it's really old kung titingnan mo. And then may table, side table. And then ito yung bed. Malaki yung bed nila. So, that's the bed. Ayan, that's the bed. And then, sa right side, meron silang lampshade. And then, tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. Mga kahoy yan. It's all wood. Ayan, ganyan. And then, tapos punta tayo sa CR nila. So, mga kahoy talaga yung dito. So, ayan, buksan natin. And then, ito. Ang laki ng CR nila guys. So, ayan, maliwanag dito kay sa room namin. Ganyan siya guys. Oh. So, ayan, nandyan ako. I-off ko nga yung So, ayan. So, ayan. Meron silang slipper. And then, tissue, shampoo, vanity kit, and then, toothbrush. And then, may dalawang baso. May sabon. Yan yung sabon. Towels. And, ito yung sink nila. Malinis, di ba? Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalapad yung ano nila, lababo. Tapos, ayan, may mga lalagyan. Then, yung shower. So, ayan yung shower. Think. And then, merong tap. Ayan, diba? San ka pa? And then, ayan, yung window. Hindi ko lang din alam kung paano buksan. Tapos, dito yung alam niyo na kung ano yan. So, dalawa sila. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda ng room namin. Ano lang to guys ha? Parang standard room nila. I think standard mo. Ako talaga ng tiyan ko. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye! Sunset!